Greetings, welcome back to Pink Oddbird. Today I'm here to share a couple of bits of Happy Mail with you, so let's go ahead and get started. So up first, I received some amazing Happy Mail from Lori, and she does have a channel here on YouTube. I've already looked at this, but I needed to definitely get this documented on my channel because you'll see why. But I'll link down to Lori's channel in the description box below so you can check her out. She didn't do a flip through of this, but that's okay because you'll be able to see it here. So here's a little sneak peek. So when I saw this, I was so shook because I don't have one. But yes, that is a real Prince symbol. It is vintage from Paisley Park. So this is literally gold. Quite literally gold. And then of course she wrote me a little note. So here is a book that she made for me. She sent this to me as a gift. And it's amazing, and I'm so grateful that she took the time to do this. So this is what the journal looks like. As you can see, there's some really pretty purple charms there on the spine, or on the book edge. She covered it in all purple and paisley because it's Prince. And so this book makes me so happy. So I'm just going to do a little flip through of this. So this is what it looks like on the very front. So there's definitely a lot of Prince imagery in here. So this is a little tag with little tag, some lace. There's one of those charms. And then she did like ink gold, I think, on this embossed paper. And then there's a couple of tags. Oh my gosh. I am dying. This is some really pretty paisley paper. So, a little tag. Oh. It's got his his years here. This little envelope. I think she hand dyed this lace here. There's another one of these little tags. Tags in a bag. And another tag back here. Little paisley die cut. That's cute. So here, a bunch of little tiny tags. I would have done this live the first time, but it's too emotional for me. So, and it's still emotional. Like, probably why I'm not talking a whole lot, because you know, he was like my favorite artist of all. Still is, I guess, but you know. This is an envelope here. I think it's a glassine envelope. His Prince on his bike. Some pretty lace. And it's a CD case, I believe. That's what it looks like. Or she made one that looks like a CD case. It's an envelope. Oh yeah, I think it is a CD sleeve. Yeah, so he slides out. That's cool. Oh, this is, I'm just gonna say that's one of my favorite songs. It's a little trifold here. I like the way she made those like little tabs. It's another envelope. And that is it. So just a quick little flip through on that one for you. I definitely, like I said, wanted to have that documented on my channel because it just belongs, and it was such a sweet and kind and generous act for her to make this for me as a surprise. Really overcome with emotion, and I'm just really thankful. So Lori, thank you so much for this gift, and I will always cherish it. The next little bit is from Renee at GT Designs. You guys hear me mention her a lot. I will link down to her Etsy store in the description box. So to start, let's see. She sells lots of cool like supplies and stuff that you can use in your journals. It looks like this might be, oh, you know what? She's making little like small kind of junk journal kits for Halloween. So I think this might be one of these kits that she's making. So like I said, she's making these for Halloween 2019, and they are going to be coming up soon in her shop. So I think that's what this is here. So let's take a look. So there's some little orange money, white money. There's some little labels, change, little envelope, time card, CD sleeve. Oh, this is really cute. It looks vintage. They're little bags. Some sugar skull, napkins, and a red bag. And this is a note to me. Thank you, Renee. And she sells lots of coffee stain stuff, so there's some coffee stained index cards. And then this is some beautiful fabric, orange. This will actually make a really nice cover too. It's really pretty. She sent me a couple pieces of her avocado stained paper, which is always beautiful. And looks like she sent me some coffee. Ooh, can you see that? Coffee stained paper, which is always much appreciated. Oh, she sent the large sheets. Cool. Thank you for that, Renee. So I think that might be kind of like an example of what's going to be in the kits. In addition to this, she's also including, I believe, a book. And she sent me a couple of them, so I don't really... You'll have to stay tuned to her YouTube channel for what she's going to include. But she sent me a couple of books, or a few books, I should say. And so these are what she was talking about on her own Etsy channel. I will link to her YouTube channel as well, so you can be in the know for when she's going to post. But she sent these vintage books, and they are amazing. So this is kind of what they look like, but the covers are phenomenal. Here's another one. And these would be great to actually just kind of gut and make your own journal, which is why I believe she sent the larger paper also. So that makes sense. And then this is the third one. Look at that. Look at that. She's got a really great collection of stuff. But yeah, so she was very kind and generous to send me, these book pages are awesome, to send me this little bundle of stuff. So like I said, keep your eyes on her YouTube and her Etsy if you're interested in seeing what she's going to be coming up with as far as these Halloween kits go. So I think I'm going to go ahead and go. That's going to wrap it up for me for now. Be sure to stay tuned because you never know what direction this odd flock of ours is headed into. And until next time, toodaloo.